Alright guys, it is literally a hurricane right now, so I apologize for the wind noise. However, we are taking a look at Generation 2 Z-MAGs. So the issues I had with the Generation 3, hopefully they will not be here. I'm still working on getting a replacement, but these are the Generation 2 Z-MAGs. So these do not have the steel reinforced bead lips, but they do have metal front and rear. They're made by Gen Zastava. So we're going to start with the Zastava M90 here. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, no real problems with that one. Seemed to work pretty well. So let's run some in the ZPAP85 here. So the rest of that mag. Ready? Same mag. And it does lock open on the last round. So these mags have not given me any issues. They've been really good. We'll finish off this one in the ZPAP90 here. Excellent. These mags have been fantastic and haven't had any problems. So again, I think the one that I got of the Gen 3 was just a fluke. And when I finally get another version of the Gen 3 mag to test, I'll do it here. So thanks. I'll see you in the next one.